If you want to unpublish your hosting a website, the easiest way is to remove the file that loads your homepage. In this video, I'll show you the quickest method step by step so you can take your site offline without deleting your hosting account. This is a simple fix if you're reworking your website, testing a new design, or just want to make your live site unavailable for now. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the website section. This is where Hostinger shows all of the websites connected to your account. Find the website you want to unpublish, then click Edit Website. This takes you into the management area for that specific site. From here, look for File Manager. The File Manager is where all of your website files are stored, and this is the key place we need to work in. Once File Manager opens, go into the public_html folder. This folder is usually the root directory for your live website, which means it contains the files that visitors see when they go to your domain. Inside public_html, look for your homepage file. In most cases, this will be named Index.html or Index.php. This is the file your website automatically loads by default. To unpublish the site, you can either rename this file or delete it. If you rename it, your website won't load normally because the server won't find the default homepage file. If you delete it, the site will also stop displaying the main page. If you want a safer option, renaming the file is often a good first step because you can change it back later if needed. For example, you could rename Index.html to old-index.html or Index.php to old-index.php. Once that change is made, refresh your website in a browser. You should see that the homepage no longer loads the way it did before, which means the site is effectively unpublished. If you still see something online, double check that you changed the file in the correct public_html folder and that there isn't another index file in the same directory. Also remember that if your website uses cached content, it may take a moment for the change to appear everywhere, so try refreshing in an incognito window if needed, and that's it. Your hosting a website is now unpublished by renaming or removing the main index file. This is a fast and practical way to take a site offline without cancelling your hosting. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more Hostinger and website management tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.